is a day to learn, to listen to, and to share ideas.
Anybody that's worked in healthcare will recognise this picture.
And to engage in discussion about how technology can assist in the paperless NHS agenda.
This is what clinical notes often in hospitals or GP surgeries look like.
So to improve trust performance, we need to do a whole raft of things. We need to improve the dictation quality, we need to speed up the capture, we need to share documents.
I just want to really emphasise the simplicity of the system by demonstrating how a clinician can come into the system and quickly create their documentation from us.
We need to digitise everything. It's as simple as that.
So the first thing I do is I can just simply select from my clinic list to create a new document. You'll see the templating feature, which we'll talk about in slightly more greater detail.
You know, we can't hang on to paper while you're shifting paper around. You know, you just have an ambition.
And then as a clinician, I can just simply start talking into the microphone. It's going to be recording the audio associated with this. And then at the point of completion, I have now got my templated document with the associated audio. And it is really that simple.
Any letter that is now processed through the Winscribe system is available to all users in the trust at any time. And this is particularly useful out of hours in emergencies when actually the medical record itself, the paper record, may not be available, often hard to get, or maybe on a different site.
Insert foot. Okay, so you can now insert the diagram of where the metatarsals are.
Our doctors and clinicians need to have access to documents from almost anywhere. They need to be mobile, they need to be working with tablets, they need to be actually in control of the access to the data that they need.
What Winscribe QSR allows is that you can actually take the speech recognition using the same voice profile and the same central management capabilities and dictate anywhere at the cursor.
It's not just iOS, it's not just Android, it's not just BlackBerry 10, but it's also Windows Phone.
Having the benefits of Winscribe text and outsourcing is very much of interest to hospitals in Australia, as they are striving towards a completely paperless process.
To start a new document and capture the information in today is 55% faster. It is about efficiency. It is about turning that document on and starting faster.
It's about sharing information between colleagues because that's safer. It means not having to wait for the patient notes. Running more efficient clinics, making sure patient details are accurate, and where data is captured once only, and where documents can be produced in real time.